Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and that the active theme supports a hero image. This matters because some themes use featured images while others use customizer sections. Once done, open WordPress admin and navigate to pages to edit a specific page, or go to Appearance then customize if the theme handles hero there. Make sure to locate the exact hero module or featured image box. You'll need this open to replace the image and adjust related settings in the next steps. You now upload and configure the replacement hero image. Click Add Media or the Select Image button in the Hero section, then either choose an existing file or upload a new optimized image sized to your theme's recommendation. This improves load time and layout. Once uploaded, set the focal point or crop to preserve composition, add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO, and choose alignment or cover/contain behavior. After adjusting, preview changes so you can refine size and position before you finish by previewing the page on desktop and mobile to confirm the hero displays and scales correctly. Then click Publish or Save Draft. If the new image doesn't appear, clear WordPress cache, any caching plugin, and CDN caches. This is the most common fix. If problems persist, make sure file permissions are correct and inspect the theme's hero settings. Sometimes a background image override or custom CSS blocks updates. If needed, override with a small custom CSS rule or consult the theme docs to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.